Hello everyone, we will learn about the teeth
Okay.
and brushing.
Okay. What is this?
Our tongue.
Tongue, mouth.
Mouth.
Right? Okay.
And what are these white and yellow?
Teeth.
So, what is this black, gray, and
Cavities.
cavities? What happens when we have cavities?
The tooth get broken.
Okay.
And when we have cavities, does it ache or not?
Ache.
It aches.
What happens when we get cavities, Samarth?
It's ache.
What aches?
Teeth ache.
What would we get? A
Toothache.
Toothache.
toothache. Okay.
And
Can you tell why do we get cavity?
Yes.
Why?
why?
Because we don't brush.
Okay.
And eat too much sweets.
And yes, eat too much.
So what happens? What happens if we do not brush?
Cavity will not go.
Okay.
And,
So
and all the teeth will broken.
okay. Riyansh, can you tell what is a cavity?
A cavity is a
What are these cavities?
cavities are some germs that attack on the teeth, but they do not sleep and they keep attacking.
Mm-hmm.
So, if we brushing with Colgate, they can be destroyed only by
Okay.
brushing.
Yes. Samarth, look here, baby. Now, can you tell what is this green,
Green,
red,
orange,
orange?
blue.
What are these?
This is the cavity.
So this is black is and gray are the cavities. What is this green thing
Green,
in the
red,
teeth?
orange.
What is this?
Cavities.
What do you think this mouth must have eaten so that it got green, red?
It's food stuck in
Yes, the food is stuck, right? So how do we get rid of these cavities and food which is stuck?
with the brush.
With the brush. Okay, can you show how do we brush?
But what is these yellow teeth? How are
Oh, the teeth are white in color, so why are they yellow here?
Because if teeth get broken, then doctor put a nukli teeth.
Yeah, artificial teeth, right?
Yes.
Okay, and sometimes when we do not brush properly, then also our teeth become
yellow?
yes. So let's brush our teeth and see if they become shiny and white. Brush properly. How do you brush? Yes. Yes.
Although we
Good.
don't eat sweets, but still our teeth can get yellow.
Brush properly. So Samarth, can you tell how many times in a day should we brush our teeth?
One.
One time only?
And in the two.
What times? How many? So
In the day and the night.
in the morning and the
Night.
before sleeping, right?
Yes.
And after eating food, should we rinse our mouth?
Yes.
How should we rinse our mouth?
With
With
the brush.
the brush and
And
water, right?
yes.
So are we brushing properly?
Yes.
Let's see if we get our teeth good in shape. Oh my god, such shiny
They are
teeth.
sparkling. Look.
Huh? So these are perfect teeth. Oh, again brushing. Okay, so you want to give any message to all the children about teeth?
Yes.
What?
Yes. We will brush every day.
We should brush.
Every day.
How many times?
The 2 day.
Which 2 times?
Night in the night and the day.
Okay, Reyansh, and you?
We should always brush and eat less chocolate because if we don't want to have a toothache and a cavity.
Okay,
So
chalo.
your teeth is broken.
Show. So why do we?
My teeth not broken.
Your teeth are not broken? No.
Because you are small.
Why is Bhaiya teeth broken?
Because he's big.
So he is big. So what happened to his teeth?
Broke.
Do you know,
My
Reyansh?
teeth
Yes.
got out and now I'm getting
New
strong
teeth. Yes. Okay, chalo. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.